What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a simple formula to earning $3,000 per month in 2021. So what I'm actually going to do in this video is I'm just going to take you to the calculator and break it down to you in simple numbers so you will know what you need to do in order to achieve a $3,000 per month income. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go to the calculator right now. So here I am. So right now we're talking about one-time sales, okay? So in order to earn $3,000 per month, you're going to need a certain amount of sales. And so we're not going to go into deep numbers, but I'm just going to look at it in a simple way. So you can find a affiliate program out there that actually pays $3,000 for selling a product. And so it doesn't take a real genius to figure this out, but to sell a $3,000 product takes the same effort as it does to sell a $30 product. So you just have to put in the effort and you have to put in the time in order to get it done. So $3,000, times one is going to give you that $3,000 income. So if you do that every month, you only need to make one sale in order for this to work for you. So if you're getting out there, you know how to get traffic, or you're learning how to get traffic, you know who your ideal customer is, you know who it is that you're selling to, then selling a $3,000 product should not be that hard. You have to know who your ideal customer is, your perfect customer, your avatar, who it is that you're selling to, okay, because you want to be selling them something that they want, okay, they want to have and that they're willing to spend money on. But understand, when it comes to selling a $3,000 product to someone, this is a high ticket sale. You're going to have to make it a irresistible offer on the end in order to make that sale, which means that in order for someone to purchase a $3,000 product, you have to have a offer stack, okay, that's going to make the $3,000, okay, seem cheap compared to what you're going to give them, okay? So you want to do that. So that's one way of doing it. So you want to get a one-time sale, you make a $3,000 sale, boom, you're good to go for the rest of the month. You make that sale, you don't have to do anything else. That's totally up to you. If you do it again, get two sales, that's $6,000. That's totally up to you. But if you're just after $3,000 per month, then do a one-time sale of a high-ticket affiliate item, okay? The next way is you can sell a product that's $1,500, and that only gives you the process of needing two sales to make $3,000. Okay, so the same effort is going to take you to make that one-time sale for $3,000. That could turn, if you got two sales, into $6,000. It's going to take you two sales of $1,500. Okay, in order to make $3,000 a month. Get your two sales, boom, you're gone, you're good to go. Once again, high ticket sale. You need to have an offer stack. In other words, bonuses, okay? Because you need to make the price of what it is that you're selling seems irresistible, okay? It has to seem low. So what you want to do is your offer is going to be 3 times more, okay, than what they're actually paying for. So if it's a $3,000 product, then you want to make your offer at least, a worth around, I would just say, to make it seem reasonable, at least about a $10,000. Okay. And if you 10x it, then of course, then that's more than that. Then you're looking at $30,000 of value that you're going to give them for free. Okay. So that's another way to do it. Also, then you could say, well, you could sell $1,000 product times 3, right? Okay. So you do that times 3, you still come out with $3,000. Now, once again, high ticket item. You have to make the value so good, so irresistible. Your offer so good, so irresistible that spending $1,000 seems like nothing to them. Okay. And they're willing to spend that money because you're helping them get the results that they want. If your product can do that, then you're helping them get the results they want. Okay. Plus you're putting an offer stack on top of that. That's going to help them, okay, then it seems like a low cost, okay? So you can do that. You can do it that way. Now we can break this down even further and keep going, but I just want to use those 3 examples right there. But I also want you to understand and pay close attention to this. Those are one-time sales, as I mentioned earlier. In other words, you have to keep doing it over and over again. Okay, to sell the one-time $3,000 product, you do it once a month, boom, you're good to go. But if you want to make $6,000, then you do it too, and just keep adding on that. For the $1,500, you sell 2 products for $1,500. Hey, boom, you got your $3,000. You want to make $6,000, you sell 4. Okay, one time, you good. Go do what you want to do for the month. If you want to do it for $1,000, you have to make 3 sales. Okay, so you're good to go. Either way it go, however you look at it like that, then you are earning your $3,000 per month. Am I correct? Okay, so that's how you can do it. So you can find a high ticket affiliate program, and trust me, there are some high ticket affiliate programs out there that's 3,000 plus. Okay, there are high ticket affiliate programs out there that are $1,000. I mean, look at, you know, Easy One Up. Look at I'm trying to think of another one. I know Easy One, Exodus Elite, I think it's something like that. You know, those products are high ticket products where you can make up to at least $2,000, okay, per month, only making 1 sale. Just understanding it's not called Easy One Up for nothing. You have to pass up, okay? So understand that there's One Up, and I don't know about the other. I think there's another one, but I may be wrong. I don't want to get into that. But there are services, there are affiliate products like Easy One Up, you know, that you can do. Don't think you're going to do that with Amazon. It's not going to happen. ClickBank is not going to happen, although ClickBank do have some expensive, you know, products that you can sell and earn an affiliate commission on. Okay. But you're going to have to sell them over and over and over again. Now, if you can set up a funnel where you can just keep running traffic to that funnel and it's paying you, then you're good to go. But just understand, as I said before, if it's not paying you residually, okay, this is something you have to do over and over again. Okay, so I would much rather have something that's paying me residually, $3,000 per month, okay, than me having to have to try to make a $3,000 one-off sale, okay? Because you can get, I believe a person can get, you know, if you get to that point where you're making that $3,000 for 1 sale, you may want to make some more sales, which is good. You know, maybe you want to make more than 3,000. Maybe you want to make, I don't know, 10 or whatever. Then you know that if you want to make, let's say 9,000, if you want to make 9,000, then you have to sell 3 of the $3,000 products. And with the other numbers, you know, of course, you had to add more sales to that. But what if there was a way that you could actually earn $3,000 per month? And I'm not guaranteeing you any income because I'm not sure if you're willing to put in the work and do what you have to do. And regardless, that's even with the one-time sale. So if you're not willing to invest some time and invest some money in marketing your business and getting traffic, you know, then this may not be for you. Okay. I'm not offering you anything free. I'm just going to be upfront with you right now. This is going to cost you, and you're going to have to put in some time to do it. So if you're looking for something free, then you may want to go check out some other YouTube videos. This is not the one for you. Okay. If you look at the word free, it's really not free. You're either going to spend your time trying to get traffic, which takes longer, or you're going to do it paid, okay, which is the shorter route to getting what you want, okay? So, but I'm looking for people that are serious, that want to jump on this. So if you made it this far in the video, stick with me. I'm finna show you the 4th way in which you can earn residual income, okay? So there's one more way I want to show you how you can earn $3,000 per month, okay, using a simple formula. And I'm actually going to show you the funnel that's already created. And if you decide you want to get in or not, then you're good to go. But remember, like I said, one-time sales versus residual. Residual, take a vacation, money still coming in. One-time sales, keep hitting it, okay? So that's the way I feel about it. Let's drop down in this corner right here. I'm going to show you this right quick. Okay, we're looking at $3,000 per month. I'm going to clear that. What if residual income, you were making $100 $120 per person, and you only needed 25 people, okay, that wanted the membership. And we're targeting affiliate marketers. We're targeting other home-based business people who see this as an opportunity to earn an extra income, but yet have the tools that they need, okay, in order to run their business or grow their business, okay. That's $3,000 a month. That's $3,000 a month that's coming in residually every month, month after month, as long as people remain remain or retain their membership. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, let's say 120 per person. Let's do 50 people. That's your $6,000 per month, month after month after month. One more time. I want to do the 120, okay, times, let's do 70 people. $8,400 per month, okay? So you just keep showing people who need this tool, who will love this tool, who will love the training on getting traffic, okay, how to actually get, that's going to help them in their business. And like I said, I'm telling you right now up front, it's going to cost you, let's just keep it real in this video, $150, okay? But from that $150, you earn 80%, which means you're going to be earning, okay, let me see if I can do this right, times 0.80, $120 per person. That's what you're going to earn. You're earning 80% commission on each one. So you're earning $20 on the funnel builder. You're earning $100 on the actual training. Okay. So that's the simplest form of this this formula. Okay. Forgive me. That's the simplest form of this formula. But I want to show you the actual funnel that you get access to, that you can brand yourself in, that's going to lead to you, and it's going to have people working with you personally. So let me get that pulled up right here. So I'm just going to pause the video for the moment. So here we are. I'm ready to show you the funnel, okay, that you're actually going to get. And then I'm going to show you the funnel all the way through. And then I'm going to show you how you replicate the funnel if you should decide that you want to get into this simple $3,000 per month, okay, online affiliate marketing business, okay, and start earning $3,000 per month in 2021. So let's drop down again. This is the actual funnel, okay. Understand this is already set up, okay, as a template in the back office. You get to edit this information. As you notice, I have up here an ex-factory worker, okay, which is true. I worked in a factory for 21 years, blood, sweat, and tears for 21 years in a factory, only to be fired with 500 other people, okay. So I found myself without a job, but yet I still had a family to take care of. I turned to internet marketing, online business, call it what you want to. Did network marketing, failed in that, several times, but hey, I got it right. But anyway, I want to introduce this to you. I'm the ex-factory worker, okay, discovers a simple formula to earning $3,000 or more per month online, and now he's giving it away to people just like you, okay. Want to become the next success story? Enter your best email below to see if you qualify. You can edit any of this information, whatever your situation was, okay. Maybe you was ex-military, maybe you was a McDonald worker, whatever the case may be, okay, you can put that information there. You can put an image of yourself here. I did this image actually in PowerPoint, okay. If you don't want the name, you can just do the email, okay, and then it says let me in. That's the the opt-in page, capture page, okay. This is the welcome page, bridge page, call it what you wanna. It said simply, congrats, you're almost in. Telling them to check their email. Now, the reason I'm doing it like this, because I'm not actually giving them the formula, okay, now they have to go check their email, and what that does is stops people who are putting in fake information from getting the information. Okay, so that's why I have that here. I have an image of me and my family on a trip in Disney World, and then I have another button down here for them to check out something else that I am promoting. Okay, so if they decide to check that out, it takes them to something else I'm promoting, but the thing that I'm promoting leads back to this same tool anyway. So you're able to edit this page. Now, by the time you see this video, there may be a video of me on this page telling my story as an ex factory worker to stay congruent with the capture page. Okay, that's the thinking process. I want to keep it congruent. And then when they receive my emails, the first email is simply giving them what they asked for. The second email, I'm telling my story again of the the factory worker. Also, I have some other, emails that I'm going to put in there as well. Okay, so this is the funnel, but once they get this, once they go check their email, then they come to this funnel here. Now, in this funnel, you don't have to do any selling or telling. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to put your video on here. This is just something I'm choosing to do. But when they come to this page here, when they check their email, they come here. This is like a 37-minute video, okay, of my mentor, Mike, actually explaining the formula in more depth, comparing it to network marketing companies and things like that. So when people see the benefit, okay, of that, then that's going to be done. Now, when I put the video on this page here, the video also is going to reference that my mentor, Mike, okay, is going to explain how the formula works. I asked them to pay attention, okay, to take some notes. And if they have any questions, feel free to get in contact with me, but make sure they watch this. This is everything is congruent. Okay. Earn 80% commission that pays you $120 a month. Residual income every referral. They're going to click here to get your HBA funnel builder, HBA premium. I hope you do it. Join me. Plus, the extra income stream is get response as well. Okay. So that's an extra income on top of the $3,000 per month. Okay. Then here actually shows them how to set it up. Okay. When they click this button, it's going to take them to this tab up here. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but this is the actual page. It's going to, what you're going to get inside of HBA with the funnel builder and the premium. You got Amy here with a testimonial. Then, of course, you got me with a testimonial, and then some other testimonials down here as well. And when you get to the bottom, it has a button, okay, for them to also go and pick up the system, okay. And then all of these buttons is going to take them to where they're going to sign up for both of these at the same time. It's going to take them to your get response, okay. And then it's going to take them when they get here to set everything up. When they click that button there, it actually takes them to this button here where Mike once again explains everything to them. Okay, so it's a simple setup. The process is real simple. There's nothing real hard about it. This funnel was just released not too long ago. Okay, and I think that a lot of people who see the value in earning $3,000 plus or more per month, sharing tools that people need in the home-based business works. Think about it. How many people are coming online every day, joining network marketing, want to do affiliate marketing? They can't afford ClickFunnels. They don't want to pay $97 a month. They can't afford Groove Funnels, even though it's free. But if you want to get the main tools, then you got to upgrade. They don't want Builder All. Some of that stuff is too techy. Okay. So HBA Funnel Builder is simple. Okay. And that is the formula. You either want one time $3,000 per month, okay, or you want residual. The choice is yours. I mean, that's totally up to you. So with that being said, that is the end of this video. If you stayed with me this long, I want to tell you I really appreciate you. I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Also, Give me a thumbs up on this video if you got value from it. Leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text message, give me a phone call, hit me up on Facebook, or either MeWe. However you feel comfortable with getting in contact with me. Let's get you set up in this funnel. Go ahead and click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Richard Hairston, the ex-factory worker from Mississippi. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.